Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your microbiology final exam. First, gather all your materials, including lecture notes, textbook chapters, and lab manuals. Next, identify the core concepts and any areas you find particularly challenging. Finally, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each topic to ensure comprehensive coverage. This structured approach will help you manage your time effectively and reduce stress as the exam approaches. Active learning is crucial for retaining complex information. Try making flashcards for key terms, microbial classifications, and important characteristics. Drawing out diagrams of bacterial structures, viral replication cycles, or metabolic pathways can significantly enhance your understanding. Additionally, forming a study group allows you to discuss difficult concepts, explain topics to others, and quiz each other, reinforcing your knowledge and identifying any gaps. When studying, focus on the core concepts that are most likely to appear on your final. This includes understanding microbial pathogenesis, disease mechanisms, and host responses. Make sure to review common laboratory techniques, such as gram staining and culturing, along with various diagnostic methods. Practicing with past exam questions or sample problems will help you become familiar with the exam format and types of questions asked, boosting your confidence. On the day before your exam, prioritize getting a good night's sleep and eating nutritious meals. Avoid cramming late into the night, as this can hinder your performance. On exam day, do a quick review of your most challenging topics or summary notes to keep them fresh in your mind. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. Good luck with your final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.